Welcome back, everyone. It is Monday morning, and with our Monday morning forecast, we're ushering in a lot more of the same. Really, over the weekend, we saw showery conditions, cooler temperatures, and we're sticking with that trend as we look live right now out at Schweitzer Mountain. Another look that we've got out at Snoqualmie Pass shows how snow is actively falling. We've been seeing that over the Cascades really all morning long, and we're expected to see the next several days, including snow across the Cascades. Now, as far as our lower elevations go, Spokane and Coeur d'Alene, are we going to see snow in the next 48, 72 hours? Chances are not very high of it. It looks like over the course of the day today, we will see more rain and a chance for maybe some grapple, but we don't really have all that great of a chance of active snowfall, or at least accumulating snowfall in the Spokane area. One thing that we are watching for today, though, is plenty of wind. Strong wind picks up into the afternoon. You can see how your wind gust map includes a lot of red and purple pushing across central Washington and eastern Washington by about 8 a.m. And then watch how that pushes across the entirety of eastern Washington and North Idaho and western Montana by your afternoon. So around 2 p.m. toward the lower Columbia Basin, that looks to be one of the hot spots for plenty of wind in the afternoon. And as far as speeds go, we're looking at 30 to 40 mile per hour gusts. There is the possibility for even 40 to 50 mile per hour gusts to be included. So definitely a good idea to probably stay inside today if you are maybe planning a walk or a jog. Do it in the earlier hours between about now and 6 or 7 a.m. Before those winds really pick up. As far as your weather pattern goes for right now, we're starting to see those showers develop over the Cascades, and you can see by 9 a.m. they're going to be pretty widespread across eastern Washington and North Idaho. Continuing on through about 11:30, nearly noon, we still see those pretty strong showers continue, and then a little bit of snow in the forecast for your evening around the central and southern panhandle. High temperatures in the afternoon, mostly 40s and 50s, a high of 59 in Richland, 58 in Moses Lake, and a little bit cooler here in Spokane, high of 48 expected. Cooler temperatures in store as we head toward about your Thursday, and then we warm back up toward the weekend with a better chance for drier weather as we head toward the later portion of this week. We'll be right back after this quick break. Stay with us.